Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in about 8 minutes. Going to be watching BPTH out of the opening gates. What a monster this thing has been. So let's see how this one plays out. Well, this thing is just beast moding it now, even more so. And I can't chase. There's no shares to short. So the thing that's going to drive me a little nuts on this one is I'm kind of handcuffed in the sense if I can only go long on it. So it's going to have to just be a matter of seeing if I can get a pullback or not. Market opens up now in about 5 minutes. All right, it's pulling back here. 1685 will be my first entry point. Obviously needs to break down through the $16 mark. Very, very fast one, so no promises that I'm able to. So actually at this point going to go down to 1650. But that may have been the pullback there before it starts this journey back upwards. All right, I will keep a close eye on it. All right, what I'm going to do here is put an order out there for 1855. And that may be too late now. Like I said, I don't want to chase it. We'll see if this thing wants to pull back below 19. I'll keep an eye on it. All right, I'm now at 1955. And this thing is just absolutely beast moding it. Like I said, you don't want to chase. I have no problem building a position, but I don't want to start building it when it's at a chasing level. So I'm at 1955. We'll see if this thing wants to break down back through 20. And it has now been halted just for going so crazy. So government has stepped in, halted it. We'll see how it goes now. But kind of a buzzkill because now we're going to have the worry of will it be halted again. So we'll see how this plays out. All right, it is back. And where did I want to put that order? At 20. So just double checking. So let's go to 20. See if it wants to pull back there. So I will keep you updated. Well, now it's, there we go. So $20. 21's acting pretty stubborn right now. All right, I will pause. All right, have an order at 24.55 now. And this thing just keeps on moving. Well, this thing's probably going to get halted again at this rate. All right, the urge to chase is real, but you just can't do it. That's not a good habit. Another halt is coming here, so we'll watch it and see it get halted. Oh. Is the government actually going to let it trade? Am I actually going to get filled at 24? Actually seeing that, that should be 24.25. So 24.25. Well, it looked like it was going to get halted, but then it didn't. So maybe they're going to let this one trade. That would be encouraging. All right, let's see if it wants to pull back. All right, have an order at 2601. Seeming to be consolidating at least a little bit in this area. So 2601. I will pause. Well, let's see. Nope. Went down there and then just bounced right back up. So going to be one of those that are very difficult to get filled apparently. Okay, I'll keep an eye on it. All right, I'm at 2701 now. Okay, I finally got in there. So let's see what this one wants to do. Looking like I may be able to get some more shares if it pulls back. There we go. Oh. Now halt. Now it's going to get halted. I got some at 24.58. But yeah, now it's definitely going to get halted here. And there is the halt. So here we are, stuck in a halt. All right, still hasn't opened. That green line represents essentially where I am in profits. only at 1,000 shares, and there's a reason why I kept it minimal at 500. So there's still some wiggle room here. And now it's just a matter of seeing where this thing wants to actually open up. So I will keep you updated. Put an order out to buy at 23. So maybe I can get some shares right out at the gates there at the $23 mark. But I'm still not quite sure where it's going to open up. So because of that, I may miss the time when it starts trading again. But I'll keep a close eye on it. All right, it is back. So let's see how this one wants to go. So again, I have that order out. So I got those at 23. So I have an order at 25 and then 25.15. And then let's go to 25.35. So let's see if it can get up there through. So let me move this green line up here. So if it can hit that green line, then I am good to go. So the green line is representing profit for me. So let's see if it can hit that green line or not. So all out there for $455. And that is why you want to, this one was kind enough. I do feel bad for the people that it's the first halt of the day and then you don't even know that it gets halted. But I knew that it got halted. So that is certainly why I didn't want to chase. And the crazy part about BPTH is, actually, let me pull up my marker real quick, so I'll pause. So like I was saying, the crazy part is, I mean, some people could have bought up there and chased, got stuck in a halt, and given how strong this one is, they still might actually get bailed out. I don't know if that'll be the case, but I made my life a lot easier by not chasing. And sure, I didn't nail the bottom or anything, but with only 500 shares and not chasing, you saw how I was able to make the trade halt still work for me with minimal position size. So there's many ways you can manipulate risk. There's many ways you can control risk. And I'm not going to get into every single way. But, what I did here was just making sure I didn't chase and then making sure the position size wasn't out of control. I don't say this in a cocky way, but could I be buying 2,500 shares at once? Yes, of course. But with something this volatile and then, of course, knowing that there is a halt risk in play, that's just a little too risky for me. But like I said, 500 shares still, and it's not even 10 o'clock yet. So 30 minutes of not even necessarily trading. Some of that was just sitting around waiting, but I'll take $455 in less than 30 minutes. And maybe some more trading opportunities on this one, although you can see now the volume is really kind of dying off. So thanks a lot, Uncle Sam. Maybe it'll return, but there we go. Maybe, like I said, this is how bad habits are built. People that chase are going to be getting potentially bailed out. But we'll see what happens with it. I am going to keep an eye on it. But definitely, I know it can get halted. So if there is a pullback, it's going to have to be a much bigger pullback for me to be interested at all. And I'm going to totally turn this into a sales pitch. And I have no problem saying that because I 100% believe in this. And I'm sorry, but for the price I charge, I think this is more than fair. But this weekend, part of the $99 subscription, I do send out a weekend newsletter. And you can see as part of the newsletter, number one on the watch list, BPTH. And along with that, right here was the alert as a pullback play. And as I said, don't chase. Don't chase. But if it pulls back where to that green line, and you can see that green line was right around the 475-ish area, but it would be a nice risk versus reward. And then, of course, you're seeing it today, and it is trading as high as $29. And that, I did the math real quick before I got the video rolling. That is a 510% move. Now, am I saying that myself or members played it perfectly for 510%? I'm not saying that at all. But I mean, stop and think about it. Let's say you screwed up half the trade. That's still 250%. And when I charge $99 for the service for an entire year, not per month, not per week, for an entire year, just if you're interested in getting alerts like this, then you can go to claytrader.com in the inner circle and subscribe there. But with that being said, I am just going to wrap things up. We're almost going on 10 minutes, and given I'm very happy about this video with the way that it played out with the halt, and then how to, there's lots of good learning lessons in there. And like I said, I got other stuff to do today, and I'm at $455, and it's not even 30 minutes into the day. If you are interested in trading with me and other members, and also getting the newsletter, so you get kind of two things. You get the live chat room, and then you get the newsletter that I talked about here. Then just go to claytrader.com. That is the inner circle. And like I said, it is $99 per year. If you do the math, it actually breaks down to $8.25 per month or $1.90 per week. And as I always say and will continue to say, over the time span of 12 months, I'm more than confident you're going to get at least $99 worth of value. If you did enjoy this video though and you want me to keep making them, the easiest way to communicate that to me though is to just click that like button, subscribe to the channel. And even if you don't sign up or join the community or whatever, that's totally fine. But if you do enjoy the videos, then at least click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But yeah, I mean, members, I'll just say this in a non-cocky way. I will say members are very, very happy right now. Some of them have done very well on this. And it's all for just $99 for an entire year. Like I said, I think that's more than fair. So go sign up. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.